back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see favorite gadgets. And today we are going to talk about another variant, that is Lenovo's Edge 15 out here. This is really an amazing version to say, because we get to see that this variant is really quite interesting out here. It's rightly said that it's more than a laptop. Yes, it comes with a tagline that is Lenovo Edge 15 laptop comes with a tagline that it's more than a laptop. The main reason why it said that is that it does a lot of functionalities, a lot of things out there. So let us talk about the specifications, highlights, or the features about this variant first. It has got a very premium processing system out here, which uses up to 5th generation Intel Core processor out here. Up to 5th generation Intel Core processor could be seen out in this, along with Windows operating system and a dual mode. Yes, Windows operating system, it might use Windows operating system, but it has got a dual mode notebook that can be switched between a laptop and a stand mode out here. So we can say that the yoga series was inspired with this, or we can say this is inspired by the design of yoga series. So this is what we say, flip flop 360-degree design out there. It has got 10 multiple touch points out there with incredibly thin and the lightweight out there. So overall design is super amazing. It's very thin, very light out here, as well as this variant is quite amazing, offering you long lasting battery life with a stylish design out here. So it offers a great design, great specifications. Speed of connectivity is quite good. Keyboard is really lightweighted and nice. Stereo type speakers could be seen out here. So you get to see that overall this variant, if you talk about Edge 15 out here, it is super amazing. चाहे वो बात की internal functions की हो, external functions की, it is really amazing out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that offers you 5th generation Intel Core processor. It is offering you either i7 or i3 out here. Yes, offering you either i7, i3. It offers you a speed we can say that is 1600 megahertz. Yes, rated speed we can say it's 1600 megahertz with different cache memory of about 3 to 4 MB depending upon the variant or the processor you are using in this variation. As well as the gigahertz speed also differs from 2 to 2.4 depending upon the variation you are using. So this is definitely great out there. That variant it is using is upgradable. Uh, it can be customized. So this is really good that we get to see in Edge 15 out here. Offering you Windows operating 8.164 bytes out there. This can be set as a non-upgradable. This is a constant variant out here. But definitely Windows 8.1 का upgraded versions मिलता रहता है, so we get to see that. Offering you a great graphical point is plus point to this variation. It offers you a graphics of Intel HD graphics 5500. Yes, it offers you Intel HD graphics of 5500. Along with that, it offers you a memory of up to 8 GB. RAM की बात करें, if you talk about the RAM storage, that is random access memory out here, then it offers you up to 8 GB RAM out there. Along with that, it offers you DDR3L RAM type and 1600 megahertz speed, that is rated memory speed. So this could be seen out in this version. But it does not mean that it is not offering you a great screen size. It offers you an amazing screen size of about 15.6 inches. Yes, 15.6 inches is the screen size display out here, offering you IPS multi-touch. Yes, IPS multi-touch could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you full HD resolution. So we can say that full HD resolution is seen out here with IPS technology, multi-touch keyboard out there. So overall, this is a very good display and a version out there. Having a weight of about 5 lbs, we can say that this is lightweight, not a heavy weighted version. Along with 720 pixel webcam integrated in it. Yes, you get to see webcam that is of 720 pixels out here, along with a storage of up to 1 TB. So 1 TB storage could be seen out here, which is really amazing. Along with that, you get to see the spindle speed of about 5400. It also offers you 8 GB SD storage out here, which is really good that you can have an expandable and additional storage out there. If we talk about the audio quality, then we can say that it offers you Dolly's home theater. So the audio is definitely amazing. Audio is definitely going to impress us, going to capture your hearts and the ears as well. Offering you a great Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, and other connectivities like USB 2 type, USB 2 type slot, USB 3 type slot, card reading, out input output jack out here. So these other connectivities could also be seen out here, along with a battery life of up to 8 hours. You get to have a battery life of up to 8 hours, which is definitely a great version. Talking about this Edge 15 out here, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing of this version, we can talk about this website, that is just at click.com. Yes, this website offers you a great range of connectivities to your gadgets, because you get to see here your favorite gadgets, as well as you get to see that there's an option called customizability. Yes, you can customize your gadgets also. You can customize your favorite gadgets. Along with that, it offers you really amazing functions like COD, free shipping, and everything out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the Edge 15 out here in the search bar, which helps us to search our favorite gadget with a very limited range. So this is the result, and talking about the results, you get to see that Edge 15 is coming with a bag free, as well as you get to see that it is offering you a good screen size and a small description box at the bottom and at the top. Along with that, it also offers you a condition that is nothing else but refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition, so that we come to know what are the refurbished products and what does this mean. Talking about refurbished products, so we can say that refurbished products are actually nothing else, but they are quite similar to brand new. Or we can say that brand new products and refurbished products are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, test is out there, everything is same. Whether you talk about the designs, they are actually same. Talk about the functionalities, that is also same. But the only difference lies out is that the refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, we can say that the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets, so you get to see that they offer you different functionalities. Now, talking about these pre-owned gadgets, does it make any difference in anything in the look function? No, it does not make any difference in the looks, functionalities, nothing. The only difference lies out is in the pricing out there, or the usage capacity, like it has been used before. So these kind of things. Now, talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the passage, because we should know what how does the refurbished products are pre-owned. So talking about the pre-ownization, there is a normal platform or normal chain which is followed out. That is the base, mediator, and consumer. For brand new, the base is nothing else but the company which is giving out the product. Mediator is the marketplace which offers you the gadget out in the marketplace. And the user is the consumer out here which consumes or takes the gadget. So this is all about the brand new concept. This is what happens in the brand new passage or the chain, कि कंपनी मार्केट में लेकर आती है प्रोडक्ट, प्रोडक्ट को फिर यूज करता है यूजर. So this is what happens in the brand new. Talking about the refurbished product, this is actually the extension of this version. Yes, this is the extension of brand new. What happens now is the user have that gadget and wants to resell this product, is not using that product, wants to resell, is bored of that product. So what happens is that product is brought up in the market through the user. Now the user, this user becomes the owner of that gadget and the base. Now it is going to resell it. Now to resell, you have to bring it into the marketplace, and then it is again resold to the another user. Yes, then it is resold to another user. Now there lies a small difference out here. Yes, there lies a very small difference. What happens is, in brand new product, company testers verifies it before launching into the market. But in refurbished product, when we resell it to a site or to a marketplace, then it is verified, tested, then it is brought up in the site to sell it. But this testing is done within the site itself, no external sites are involved. But in companies, after testing, it has to be checked with other websites also. There are few specifications, few testings out websites which check the specifications too. So there is a difference in the checking parameters where it has to be checked. Now, otherwise the parameters are absolutely same, whether the testing parameters you compare, design you compare, functionality you compare. Talking about the design, the structures, we can say whatever the company states, the same design has to be seen in the refurbished product. Functions has to be same. It might be customized. Yes, they might customize it accordingly. How they might customize, like if there is a functionality given through the company that they can customize it accordingly, then they can easily customize the product. Talking about the products, we can say the test's parameters are absolutely same, whether it's external parameters or internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that the external parameters includes the factors of the parameters which do not require any equipment. Like there are parameters which involve the display, the scratches, button intactness, button working, battery, jacks out there, connectors, camera, on off button, whether how long it is saying to start, how long it's saying to off. So these, like externally, which you do not require any external or the any other parameters or any other gadget to test them. The keys which are being in the place in keyboard have placed orderly, like the way it should be placed, is it that way or not? The 12 functional keys are working or not? Arrow keys are working or not? Touchpad is working or not? If there is any scratch, what kind of scratch it is it repairable or it is non-repairable? What kind of scratch it is actually? First, it has to be checked that way. Repair was if it can be repaired, then it has to be done. If it is non-repairable, then it has to be seen in another way. So it has to be checked every throughout. Once the external parameters are done, then it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? They need equipments. There are few equipments, or you can say there are specified gadgets which are required to test them, because internal processors, graphics, condensers, or each and every part out there which has to be checked internally needs specified gadgets. Talking about the connectivities out there, talk about the visuals out there, the resolution, talk about the graphical part, processor, RAM quality, RAM type, storage, portability, drive out there, internal connectors out there, everything needs to be verified. Once each and every part, every section is verified, which and is supposed to be the same as it was mentioned by the company, then it is said that it is all good to use. It has a good quality, good service is being provided by this. Now it gives you a good functionality, and it is certified as refurbished. Now what happens to the structurality? It is absolutely same. If it has some mishappenings in it, if the product is not working properly, it has to be replaced with the original parts. Yes, if it is having a damaged part, then it has to be replaced, and once it is replaced, then it is brought back into the market. Otherwise it has to be discarded there itself. Now, what are the advantages of having refurbished product? Because these seems like absolutely same. So what is the major difference or the major advantages? Talking about the advantages of having refurbished product is number one, the pocket friendly rate offered out. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. How it is, like brand new products are actually expensive out here. You get to see that brand new products are actually expensive. They might offer you slightly high pricing, but refurbished products, they are generally less expensive, or you can say they are quite cheaper out here as compared to brand new. So they are offering you pocket friendly rates. Apart from that, you get to see that since there is a difference in pricing, you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you get to save a lot of money out here. There could be a great savings done with this, so that you can use it on other products too. Talking about the warranty period in brand new products, we get to see 1 year warranty period in brand new products, like 1 year warranty along with exchange policies out there. So refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, 50% warranty period is given. That is the 6 months warranty period out here. Yeah, usually pre-owned gadgets don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So this is really good that you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with it. Talking about these factors, let us talk about the site also, which offers you these specifications. We were talking at this site that is just at click.com. The site itself means you are just a click away, just at click. That is the website name. This site offers you mostly refurbished products. So they offer you the pocket free rates, savings. You can save a great savings out here, 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy. Along with those things, you get to have COD. Yes, you get to have the COD out here. Along with that, you also get to have hassle-free shopping, along with the free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. You can have all these specifications out here. So what does the shipping means? This shipping means that this offers you 48-hour shipping timing within most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week in Saudi. But yes, this site offers you a option that is customizability option. So because of that, you can customize your gadget if you want to have some RAM variation in the storage capacity, processing out there, Windows out there, which can be customized. Yes, which can be customized option are available on this site. So depending upon the customization, it might take vary in the shipping timing. But yes, definitely, this is really amazing website for you all to check out the best pricing for your gadgets, best pocket friendly rates out here. So you can definitely check out the website. Description has the link, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.